the box with something inside. La camera Canon G7X is inside the box, and I just want to record a video to show you guys unboxing the box. So let's get started. Inside the one box we have another box inside. So let's open the other one. Oh my god, it's everything inside with accessories. Oh yes, okay. Let's get this out. Wow, crazy. Here we go. On G7X. Let's clean up. Okay, I'm holding the camera right now. Hopefully I can have something to hold the camera. So this is for the camera. The tripod, and here is the USB micro HDMI micro. And I don't know what it is. Battery. The book with how to use it. This is the camera inside. Okay. Oh yes, I finally have this camera. They want to show you the video. I will link the link in here in the comment description, in the description box. Oh my gosh, it's crazy. Oh my god, I love it. This is the charger. Charger has one battery and one memory. One memory card, and here one USB. So we have a memory card. Yeah, here memory card, and then the USB over here. Very nice, good. The tripod, I will love it. I am so love it with this. I come in with this long and big tripod. It's very cute, and you can make it longer. It's coming with these straps for the camera. This is amazing. I love it. This is for the camera case to protect the camera. It's very cute. Strap I have to put in here, attach it together. I don't know what is this. If you want to I love it. Coming with a lot of things that I will enjoy. I can't wait to show you guys a video with the camera. I have another bag in here for put everything. Mini bag. A mini bag. And very handy as well.